Birthstones are not only captivating gemstones but also powerful symbols of personal identity and connection. Incorporating birthstones into jewelry allows us to carry their unique energies and meanings with us, enhancing our style and personal well-being. In this guide, we will explore different ways to use birthstones in jewelry, from selecting the right stone to designing custom pieces that reflect your individuality. Choosing the right birthstone. The first step in using birthstones in jewelry is to identify your birthstone based on your birth month. Each month is associated with a specific gemstone that represents its essence. Whether it's the fiery red of a ruby for July or the enchanting blue of a sapphire for September, find the birthstone that resonates with you and aligns with your intentions. Birthstone rings. One of the most popular ways to incorporate birthstones into jewelry is through rings. Birthstone rings can be worn as a symbol of personal identity and a celebration of your birth month. From minimalist designs featuring a single birthstone to intricate settings with additional diamonds or accents, birthstone rings can be customized to reflect your unique style and preferences. Birthstone necklaces. Necklaces offer a versatile canvas for showcasing birthstones. A pendant necklace with a birthstone at the center creates a focal point and can be layered with other necklaces for a fashionable and meaningful look. Birthstone necklaces can be designed with various chain lengths and styles, allowing you to personalize the piece to suit your taste and desired energy. Birthstone bracelets. Bracelets adorned with birthstones add a touch of elegance and significance to your wrist. Whether it's a dainty charm bracelet with a birthstone charm or a more substantial design featuring multiple birthstones, bracelets can be a stylish way to wear your birthstone. Consider mixing birthstones with complementary gemstones to create a captivating and eye-catching piece. Birthstone earrings. Earrings provide an opportunity to frame your face with the sparkling beauty of birthstones. From delicate studs to intricate drop earrings, there are various earring styles that can showcase birthstones. Whether you prefer a matching pair of birthstone earrings or asymmetrical designs with different birthstones, earrings offer a versatile and elegant way to incorporate birthstones into your jewelry collection. Custom birthstone jewelry. To truly personalize your birthstone jewelry, consider working with a jeweler to create custom pieces. Custom birthstone jewelry allows you to select the gemstone, design, and metal that resonate with you. From custom engraved birthstone pendants to bespoke birthstone rings, the possibilities are endless. Collaborate with a skilled jeweler to bring your vision to life and create a one-of-a-kind piece that reflects your individuality. Birthstone jewelry for gifting. Birthstone jewelry makes a thoughtful and cherished gift for loved ones. Consider gifting a birthstone necklace, bracelet, or pair of earrings that aligns with the recipient's birth month or holds a special meaning. Personalize the piece further by incorporating initials, engravings, or additional gemstones that symbolize qualities or moments you wish to celebrate. Conclusion. Using birthstones in jewelry is a beautiful way to celebrate your birth month and connect with the inherent qualities and energies associated with your birthstone. Whether you choose a ready-made birthstone piece or opt for custom jewelry, let your birthstone jewelry be a reflection of your unique style and a reminder of your personal journey. Wear it with pride, knowing that it carries both beauty and meaning, enhancing your overall well-being and self-expression. Birthstones are not only captivating gemstones but also powerful symbols of